Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss On His Blindness by John Milton. This question usually comes in the examination of BA English Honors and MA English. You can write it down and use it for your examination notes. Now, let us start studying our topic. On His Blindness by John Milton. On His Blindness is a Petrarchan sonnet poem. This has been written by John Milton, a great poet in his own right. Milton is also a rebel by instinct. He rose against church and monarchy with equal zeal. But once the republic failed and he turned blind, his faith was shaken. But the love for ideal and fear of God made him search for an anchor seat. In this poem, we discover how he jostles with his problem and finds out its just solution. The poet had turned blind. The world became dark and white for him. He had a poetic talent with which he could serve God, but due to blindness, he could not do it. Milton believed that life is a service to God. Every person after his death gives the account of his service to God. He has lost his eyesight and therefore he cannot serve God. So he fears that God would chide him. Thus, in his helpless state, the poet turns bitter. He wonders if God is that unjust and cruel, he has taken away his eyes, and yet he would ask for his service. The poet complains. But at this moment, Milton forth comes to his rescue. His passion turns into patience. It gives him the vital lesson. God is all powerful. He does not need any gift or service from man. People round the world follow his mere will. So, Milton, a blind person, is in the race. If he takes his misfortune as God's will, it shall be a service to him. For this is the real service to God, the humble submission to God's will. Thus, Milton fights the rebel inside and gets over it. This he does by simple application of his willpower, a quality of the poet. From Job to Hopkins, the faithful soul have suffered such an experience. In case of Milton, it becomes a lifelong struggle. His greatest work, Paradise Lost, is an effort to justify the way of God to man. In this poem, the poet applies the same argument to convince himself. Milton, in his early life, wrote in Greek and Latin. Therefore, his English is affected by these two languages. Moreover, he was a man of politics. These two influenced his speech. But Milton had a sweet musical sense. All these mixed up to produce his grand style. In this poem, we discover an echo of it. There is stately quality in his argument. Even small words like wide and dark suggest the agony of a blind man. But his fear of God is born in his idle self. He saw life as a service to God, but patience is a Christian term. It shows Milton's devotion to God. He praises God and his kingly state. The last line is the most beautiful conclusion to the poem. In this way, the poet has represented his personal dilemma, a truth that decides his course of life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and for further notifications, please press the bell button. Thank you.